Everybody, in front of me I have Battlefield 6, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust the aim sensitivity of the mouse in this game, so enjoy watching! Well, like every game, you have the aim sensitivity of the mouse and controller. You can adjust it in this game by clicking here on the gear icon to open the settings, and now move to the gameplay. In Infantry tab here you can see aim sensitivity for the controller or aim sensitivity for mouse. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust this slider, so you can move it to decrease or increase the sensitivity. The best way to set it up is just play the game and see if you like your aim sensitivity. On here on the right you can see the distances for 360-degree rotation, the amount of DPI you have in mouse, and the inches or centimeters. Adjust the sensitivity of infantry related mouse movement while aiming. For increased precision, adjust the setting with the arrow key. And that would be all for this video. I hope you like it. Leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!